Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this highlight video, and I apologize for all my laser engravers, but you really probably never going to be able to use this in your laser engraving, but I've begun to find out there's more people that watch my YouTube channel than laser engravers. And somebody yesterday wanted to make a highlight pen, and I made this pen with a brush stroke, and it's pretty cool. And then I made one earlier today with a brush stroke that fades away. Well, I did it through a couple of steps, and I started thinking, there's really an easier way to do it. And what I do like about this way to do it, you could change it and make it with your nodes. You could, make your brush stroke different. You could grab these two and make the telling end longer. But what you do is, in laser engravers, we don't ever really get to use the interactive fill tool, but if you'll start on the very tip and go to the very tip, you're adding white, and you need to select this and go a little less toward the end. So I'm doing the exact same thing. This is a blend, and you could start off with not as much white. Did that. Let's back up here and take our interactive fill tool, go to the end, but let's replace this with, well, I should have gotten ready to let's just do it. And this is something laser engravers could use. We're going to color this in, and we're going to make this color, we're going to hold down the control button, and we're going to add a little bit of white, making it a less. So now you can take your interactive fill tool and go all the way to the end, but I don't know why it took my color away. That shouldn't have anything to do with anything. Let's put it over here, fill it in with yellow, add a little control, add a little white. There we go. Interactive fill tool. Now I'm going to bring this fill, well, I guess I'm in interactive fill tool mode. Maybe I have to double click on that, go down and get my eyedropper tool. There's the trick. So now it's faded away, not as much, because I didn't go to white. And then we could call that done, and then you could make this a brush stroke. Go to your artistic media tool, and as soon as you see that you can save it, because you need to be under brush, save it, and we're going to call it high yellow 3. Doesn't matter what you call it, because it's not going to really be up there. And I can't really see, here it is right here. So now you grab your brush stroke and you've created a new highlight. It's pretty cool. I wish sometimes we could use more colors in engraving. But if that was what he's looking for, I hope that helped him out a little bit. You could definitely change the length of your item, and it does look like it's been highlighted. If you were, drawing something with color and you wanted to make a highlight pen, there you go. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.